Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording.
Where's those chicken wings?
Kung, 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 kung.
We got lots of chicken wings somewhere. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, all those drumsticks.
They gotta be in there. There's gotta be lots of those things. They gotta be there. Check it out. It's gotta be it's probably got aluminum foil on it. Ah, chicken wing.
They might have been all cleared out.
Oh, no way.
I don't see any aluminum.
Oh, they put in the back.
This is what I'm feeling though.
The grilled cheese.
Alright.
Wait.
Oh no. Half grilled cheese. I got hummus. Look at that. Cuba.
Kung, 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 kung.
I gotta try to find those drumsticks.
Yeah, find them. Let's poke them. What is Gouda?
Gouda.
Yeah, right. You wish it was good. Like rice. Oh man. This is shit. Chicken pie.
Oh my god!
Yeah!
Diamond, this is so hard!
Holy, we got you can't
Whoa.
even. They got.
Hey, look at this meat pile.
Look, you guys, there's your, I went to fried chicken.
Yes!
This is the footage of all the grits
Is
in.
it good?
Yeah?
Say, get the best freaking chicken taste. It's only like 4 in the morning.
Hey, that's 10 in the morning.
Like the sports radio.
I can see him saying, say what you had the best freaking chicken in the morning.
Caller 9, say what you think about the Luongo trade. I had the best chicken this weekend.
It was fucking awesome. It was prig.
The hasties hold it down with the chicken.
So awesome. Just stay your cost like a minute. This saw just ripping the chicken. Oh, that was so sweet. No, just totally trying to sell it. I must choke. Holy Luongo train. Oh. They can't get rid of Carter.
They are. They are.
Why?
I hate it. He's a free agent. It's not their choice.
That sucks.
Well, I mean, they just have to match a better offer.
I think he's gone.
Yeah, I think he is too. It'd be sweet if we got that.
Why isn't he gone already?
Dude, he's on the starting line. He's not gonna go to any.
More money elsewhere.
You never know. Being in the starting line?
He killed it.
Eat me, Brad. Yo, Fenton, eat me.
The chicken bowl cries out.
Super duper dope.
Just throw this in the microwave.
It's uber kill.
Uber kill.
Yeah, you gotta put some of that cheese on it, too. Uber week.
Oh shit.
Holy fuck, Corey, you learned how to work it. That's some cutting edge technology there.
Holy fuck!
Press 1-5 and then start, and it'll probably be good.
No, I'm not laughing.
That's 1-5 and start. It worked. I was like, you guys that was sweet, eh?
Corey, you're a douche. Doesn't know how to work on microwave. He's used to the fucking spag mics.
Forward to the twins.
Oh, what? I got a dude right here. Let's break it down.
No, that's the wrong time. It's only 3 some.
Fuck you, it is.
Fuck
It's
that.
4:20.
Okay,
That was the shed bar clock that was
See
wrong.
this? 4:20. Dude, 4 deuce. Yo, let's fucking get a cab. Get the fuck out. If we're gonna get up.
Oh, 4 to the 222. Oh.
Oh yeah, I get it at home. So
falling. Fuck no, man.
I'm just fucking with you. No one's
I'm
driving.
driving.
Okay, love you all, peace.
You know how good I would.
I turned off the shed bar.
Give me some.
Bye.
Bye.
Say what about me?
Can I have a little handful? Sweet.
Now I get to see this 7-year.
Alright, on the way out. Thank you very much.
She blocked.
I feel like a fucking cannibal right now.
Some
Look
cat
Thanks,
cheese.
Graham.
Some
That's a
cat
good
cheese
time.
to wash it down.
Chelsea. Chelsea.
Some cat cheese.
Right. Some crispy cat.
Oh, gee.
Hopefully I'm not forgetting shit.
No, you're not. Where's your camera?
Love you, dog.
Cell phone?
Have a good night.
Because y'all knew where.
the Chinky.
Dun,
Summer
dun,
06 clips.
Yeah. Thanks for coming, Dustin.
Hell yeah.
Later.
Go.